Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. We like business development companies, or BDCs for short, like Horizon Technology Finance Corp, traded on NASDAQ under symbol HRZN. And this is because they provide financing for exciting and often overlooked small and mid-sized American companies. And for that privilege, their clients pay higher than average yields. And that's a boon in this higher rate environment. But what happens when rates fall? The Federal Reserve is expected to start cutting its key lending rate this September, but the stubbornly high global inflation means higher rates will decline a lot slower than previously expected and remain higher than they were before. In fact, because of soaring budgets, the day of ultra-low interest rates are probably over. John?
Yeah, thanks. Well, on the plus side, even moderately lower interest rates make it cheaper to borrow and stimulate economic growth. And economic growth needs a lot of capital investment from alternative banks like Horizon Technology. Now, where most BDCs invest in companies in virtually every sector and industry, Farmington, Connecticut-based Horizon Technology Finance Corporation provides structured debt products to life sciences, technology, healthcare information, and sustainability companies. Now, since 2004, Horizon has directly originated and invested more than $3 billion in venture loans to more than 300 growing companies. The transaction size of the loans are up to $50 million and generally last between 3 to 5 years, with a meaningful interest-only period. The loans are secure with term, bridge, and special purposes loans that actually prioritize interest over equity and unsecured debt.
Let's talk numbers here. This BDC reported solid first quarter results.
Yeah, for the first quarter ended March 31st, 2024, Horizon reported total investment income of $26.1 million. That's slightly down from $28 million in the first quarter of 2023. The lower figure was primarily a result of lower interest income on investments. This resulted in net investment income of $12.6 million or 38 cents per share. Again, down slightly from $13 million or 46 cents per share in the same period last year. Net asset value was down slightly at $9.64 per share. Now, the company has not announced its second quarter results yet, but it did note that it originated in its term, modest number of investments, including 11.5 million of loans and 500,000 of equity. It ended the first quarter of the quarter with unfunded loan approvals and committed backlog of a pretty solid $137.5 million. Now, to help expand its borrowing capacity and offer venture debt, Horizon actually enhanced its capital resources with a $100 million senior secured credit facility, and that number could, under certain circumstances, increase to $200 million.
It maintained its monthly distribution of 11 cents per share.
Yeah, the company's first quarter net investment income of 38 cents per share is more than enough to cover its monthly dividend payout of 11 cents per share or 33 cents per share on a quarterly basis. This works out to an annual distribution of $1.30 per share for a current forward yield of 10.64%. Horizon Technology also has a recent history of paying out special distributions. It last paid one out for 5 cents per share this past April, and it actually paid out 5 consecutive years of 5-cent special distributions.
Horizon Technology stock is up 13% since April of this year.
Yeah, reliable monthly dividend and special dividends are great, but it's even better when they are attached to a company with a rising share price. And Horizon Technology Finance has been outpacing the S&P 500 the past 3 months, advancing 13%. There's currently room for additional growth as of this recording, trading at around $12.31 per share. And Horizon Technology stock needs to climb an additional 5% to hit a new 52-week high and climb 17% to best its November 2021 record high of $14.40 per share.
Thanks, John, for your insights. Horizon Technology Finance Corp is a BDC with a top-yielding portfolio with significant capacity to make robust investments in dynamic markets. Thanks to its diversified portfolio, there is lower concentration of risk, and this has allowed it to generate total returns above the industry. It is also why Horizon is able to provide investors with reliable, high-yield monthly payout and special dividends. $18.48 in cumulative distribution since 2010. It is also why Horizon is able to provide investors with reliable, high-yield monthly payout and special dividends. For some perspective, consider this. Since its initial public offering in 2010, Horizon has paid out $18.48 in cumulative distributions. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned, and in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.